If ICC is indeed incorruptible and has no issues, why didn't Interpol just hand over Joma Sison to the PNP? Even if everybody knows Joma Sison is the leader of the CCPA-NPA and he has committed a lot of atrocities, especially the CCPA-NPA here in the Philippines. Didn't Joma Sison and the CCPA-NPA committed some atrocities here in the Philippines? I thought that atrocity is also included in the what you call this crime against humanity. Yet Joma Sison is still in the Netherlands, and the HQ of the CCPA-NPA is also found in the Netherlands. So, what? Huh? Also, why is it that back then, this date, this was the time when ICC was funded by the US government? Huh? What ICC did is a big insult to the Philippines men and women in uniform. It's a big slap to our face, man.